Hello, Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the such stands for EDC gear. Today we have a knife versus with the QSP Canary folder and the CJRB Pyrite. You can do this with the Pyrite, thumb stud, button lock, thumb stud, button lock, button lock, button lock, reverse flick, and button lock. And you can even slow roll it. Centering is good. Very little blade play. You might need to tighten that after the video. Jimping is right here. G10 handle. Blue-gray color. More, yeah. Tip up or left, right, tip up, right or left carry. Can it? No, only one. Well, yes you can because that's in the way. So, yep, you can do tip up, right or left. It is AR RPM 9 steel. Let me see if we get this mark off the blade. Sorry, got some gunk on the blade. I can't get it off too well. But yeah, it's a good blade. You can still get them. You can get the mini pyrites, the alt pyrites, I believe, and other stuff. So, imagine them. Well, they can't really make a pyrite fixed blade because the pyrite is a button lock. Okay, got it off. That was irking me, so. Then we have the QSP Canary fixed blade. Folder. Sorry. I'm getting the fixed blade large size. Eventually next month probably. This is purple G10 scales. Dual thumb stud. Liner lock. No jimping, which sucks because it could use jimping. Dual position pocket clip tip up right or left. Speed holes, I guess. I don't know why. Lanyard hole like the other one. And this is how you would hold it. Centering is good. This is how you would hold it. The pyrite. Has a finger choil. Size comparison with each other. I always do tip to tip, so that's how I do it. And pyrite is bigger, of course. Then we got more knives. We got the Spatterco Manix 2. Of course, it's going to be bigger than both. Man, messing that up on the camera. And we got Kaiser Fighter. A very good Kaiser knife. You should look into if it's still available. Brand new, but if not, get it used. You can get a deal. And it's good. It's bigger than the Canary. And let me move the Canary out the way. It's bigger or barely bigger than the Pyrite. Then we have the Blade HQ exclusive Real Steel G5 Metamorph Tonto blade version. This one's no longer available. But it was a $39.99 knife, so yeah, I gotta get this good on there. Keep messing up. Let's see, the tip to tip. Yep, that Real Steel G5 Metamorph Blade HQ exclusive is bigger. And we got one more size comparison. We got the Titanium Arcade. Yep, it is bigger than both. Then we got a cut test. We're going to start with the Pyrite. Sure, I got no addresses on this package that I have opened already. Let me move this back. Let's do a cut test. Oh, not even taped. Oops. Now we got it right here. Okay. Then we're gonna go like this. Almost press the button. See, you cannot press. You can press it while using it, probably. We get it on camera for you guys. This box is kind of flimsy, so we're gonna get how the test we're gonna get. It does cut. The Pyrite cuts. Let's go to the Canary. That cuts. Now let's see if it cuts the tape off the box. Where the tape would be. Do you have any tape? Kind of. This box is already mangled, as you can tell, from shipment, so not really much I can do. It cuts too. The Canary cuts. Got both good knives. Canary I got from 10%. I got with 10% off and free shipping on White Mountain knives for $37.75. And a while back, CJRB contacted me and asked me to do a video and have this Pyrite, which I was gonna buy. I was ready to buy and looking into it, and they sent me one. So nice of them, and thank you. Pyrite's the bigger of the two. Can they both stand? Yep. They can both stand, which is pretty gnarly, I guess. Button locks are always fidgety fun. AR RPM 9. The black version of this knife, which is black blade, has lower HRC than the satin. And it's 14C28N. I can show you that. AR RPM 9. We can show you that. Very easy to manipulate. Both good knives. What would I recommend? This is about the base Pyrite and G10 and AR RPM 9 steel. Nothing fancy, nothing alt, nothing bitty, nothing different shape of blade, and no slots or thumb holes. It will be about $49.99 without sale or any codes. So you'll be paying about $50. With code and everything, that's 10% off code. White Mountain Knives, you get it for $37.75. Purple G10, liner lock, black blade. Blue gray G10, button lock, satin blade. Let me show you the QSP Canary folder. You'll hold it like this and like this. So it's a 2.8-inch blade. I know that because I've been looking that up, and I know that it's legal for healthcare workers in most states. This, I'd say, is in the 3-inch range. Less than 4. But don't quote me. It's been a while since I looked that up. But it is hours of this. Or even this. Or even this. It is a fidget factor friendly knife. For hours and days and weeks and years and, you know, so on. This knife has gotten smoother over time, and I just got it yesterday. So, you see this video will be about 2 days since I got it. Because I already This video's uploaded for President's Day, so happy President's Day to you folks in America. Okay, now my rating on the let's start with the pyrite. My rating on the pyrite on the low side is a 10, and on the high side is an 11. Very great knife. Fidget factor rating is a 12 to 14, but I go more so 12 to 13. Very good knife. Very good knife. This is the base model of the Pyrite, so it's nothing that you see now. It's just the regular first model they made. They also have a steel scales version, which I would believe, and if I remember correctly, has a different sound to it when it opens and closes. Now the QSP Canary folder for being a 2.8-inch blade, I really do like it. So it is in hand. This is this. So my rating on the low side on the QSP Canary folder, you can tell I like it a lot. Surprisingly more than I thought I would. Way more than I thought I would. So it's going to be a mostly daily carry where I can carry knives, not events such as wrestling or concerts or baseball games, because I cannot carry knives there. But I do carry an O-Light, small, like a keychain version, or the diffuser, and that doesn't set off the alarm, so it's good to have. Because I like go to a lot of the events are nighttime events, so flashlights help afterward. So on the low side, I give this QSP Canary 9.8 because, yeah, it's small. If you made the handle a ½ inch bigger or an inch bigger and the blade a 3-inch, that will be very good. But I'd even go 2.9 inch and on the blade, or 2.95, either one, and a ½ inch to 0.75 inches bigger on this handle. But as it is now, it is not bad at all and is worth getting. Like I said, way better than my expectations before I got it. And on the high side, I give it a 9.9. It can't be a 10. And only can't be at 10 because jimping is not there. If you had jimping from this part to all the way over to here or here, then it would get a 10. It's missing the jimping, which I don't know why they didn't put jimping, even a little bit. I could have put light jimping even. As you see, this has not light jimping. Let's find a knife that has a lighter jimping. Like this QSP, not QSP, but the Kaiser Fighter. This jimping would work well on the QSP Canary folder, but not up to like here. Would be good. Let's look. So you see that jimping would help. Jimping does help a lot. So that's why it's not a 10, but it's still a very good knife. For being a smaller knife, it is not cramped, it is not bad. It is one of, if not a few, in the top 5 of good smaller knives that I own. I gladly, as of just off the top of my head right now, put it in the top 3. But it gladly, after some consideration and checking out some of my smaller knives, it could definitely be in the top 5, no doubt. Now you get the small fixed blade, which is a neck knife, and make it into like a pocket carry or scout carry on the side of your belt. It would be nice. And then get the larger Canary fixed blade. Eventually I'm going to get this small one, but next on my list is the large fixed blade. So And it's great steel, my favorite steel, 14C28N. If anybody knows what the DLC or coating is, or why it is lesser HRC than the satin blade, let me know. I will be looking into that also online, so maybe I'll find out too myself, but you can always tell me. And let me know what you like between the QSP Canary folder and the CJRB Pyrite, the original version, in G10. And yes, I call this blue-gray G10, even though people would call it gray. It does have some hints of blue. To me, it's not as fully gray. And let me know. Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day, be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. Enjoy the hobby. Hopefully get something good, decent. Have a great day, be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. Enjoy your friends, your family, your pets, your yummy food, your music, your video games. Enjoy, be safe, and remember to use your sharp blades. Bye.